Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's get straight to it. Today, we're talking about the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Contour and Bronze Starter Set, a product that promises to help sculpt, contour, and add dimension to your face. This set includes 6 versatile shades designed to work with all skin tones, and it's perfect for anyone looking to take their makeup game to the next level. Now, let's break this down. TEMPTU is known for its high-quality airbrush and makeup products, and this contour set is no different. The formula is silicone-based, which means it's long-lasting, buildable, and offers medium coverage. The texture is smooth and it's easy to blend, which is key when you're working on those precise contouring and highlighting areas. It's also worth noting that this product works for all skin tones, which is a huge win when it comes to inclusivity in the beauty industry. I'll be honest, silicone-based formulas can sometimes feel heavy or greasy, but this one didn't give me that feeling. It glides on smoothly, blends out beautifully, and I love how it leaves a natural finish without feeling too cakey or drying. I used it in different lighting and found it held up well, especially for a medium coverage product. The 6 shades included are thoughtfully curated, so you can find a contour, highlight, and bronze shade that's suitable for your complexion. I did try the set in a few different scenarios: during a long day of filming, at home on a regular day, and even for a night out. Each time, it performed consistently, staying put and offering that sculpted look without needing a touch-up. That's a big plus, especially for people who need their makeup to last from morning to night. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the formula is versatile. It blends well, it's buildable, and it has a nice satin finish that isn't too dewy or matte. The range of shades is also a standout feature. It really is made for all skin tones. Another plus is the product's longevity. It held up for hours without settling into fine lines or looking patchy, which is crucial when contouring. On the flip side, the product does require a bit of patience when it comes to blending. While it's not hard to work with, silicone-based formulas often need that extra time to really settle into the skin and avoid that slippery feeling. Also, if you're not a fan of medium coverage products that need a little extra time to build up, this may not be for you. Is this contour set worth the price? For the quality you're getting, especially considering TEMPTU's reputation for professional-grade makeup, I'd say it offers good value. You're paying for a high-performance product with longevity and versatility. However, if you're someone who likes contouring with powders or prefer a lighter, more natural look, there are definitely more budget-friendly options out there that might suit your preferences. Comparing this to other contour sets on the market, the TEMPTU SB set stands out for its silicone-based formula, which provides a longer-lasting finish and better skin adhesion. While some other brands offer cream contours, they might not have the same durability, especially under various environmental conditions. For instance, products that are more emollient can break down quicker, but this set seems to hold up well. The packaging is sleek and professional, and the product itself feels solid, not flimsy. I expect this set to last me a while, especially with the amount of product you get in each shade. As for customer support, I've heard good things about TEMPTU's responsiveness. They have a solid reputation for taking care of their customers, whether you have questions about the product or need assistance with a return or exchange. For those looking for a more budget-conscious option, I would recommend exploring brands like NYX or Maybelline for similar contour sets. But do keep in mind that while these may be cheaper, they often lack the same staying power and buildability that TEMPTU offers. So, where do I stand on the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Contour and Bronze Starter Set? This is a solid choice for anyone looking for a professional-grade contouring set that works well for all skin tones. If you love a sculpted look that stays put, this product has you covered. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.